Hello and welcome to this YouTube video on rocket science. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of rocketry and learn about the principles that make space exploration possible. Rocket science is the branch of engineering that deals with the design, construction, and operation of rockets. It's a fascinating field that has revolutionized our understanding of the universe and helped us reach the stars. At its core, rocket science is based on a simple principle: Newton's third law of motion, which states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. In other words, rockets work by expelling mass in one direction, which creates a force that propels the rocket in the opposite direction. To achieve this, rockets use a combination of fuel and oxidizer that are burned in a combustion chamber. The resulting hot gases are expelled through a nozzle at the back of the rocket, creating thrust that propels the rocket forward. But rocket science is much more than just burning fuel. It involves a complex array of disciplines, including material science, aerodynamics, thermodynamics, and control systems engineering. All of these areas of expertise come together to create a rocket that can withstand the extreme forces of launch, navigate through the harsh conditions of space, and safely return to Earth. One of the most exciting aspects of rocket science is its potential for exploration and discovery. Rockets have allowed us to explore our own planet in ways that were once unimaginable, and have enabled us to send probes and rovers to explore other planets and moons in our solar system. But rocket science is not without its challenges. The harsh conditions of space can be unforgiving, and designing rockets that can withstand those conditions is a constant engineering challenge. Additionally, rockets are expensive and complex machines that require a large team of experts to design, build, and operate. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of rocket science are enormous. From exploring new worlds to advancing our understanding of the universe, rocket science has the power to transform our world and unlock new frontiers of knowledge. Let's dive a bit deeper into rocket science. Rockets come in all shapes and sizes, from the small model rockets that hobbyists launch in their backyards to the massive Saturn V rocket that took humans to the moon. But regardless of their size, all rockets operate on the same basic principles of physics. To understand how rockets work, it's important to first understand the concept of momentum. Momentum is a measure of an object's motion, and it is calculated by multiplying an object's mass by its velocity. In other words, an object with more mass or more velocity will have more momentum. Now, let's think about a rocket. When a rocket is sitting on the launch pad, it has a certain amount of mass and is stationary. But when the rocket's engines ignite, fuel and oxidizer are burned in the combustion chamber, producing hot gases that are expelled out the back of the rocket at high velocity. This creates a force known as thrust, which propels the rocket forward. But here's the key. Because the gases are expelled at such high velocity, they have a lot of momentum. In fact, the momentum of the expelled gases is greater than the momentum of the rocket itself. Of course, it's not quite that simple. Rockets are complex machines that require careful engineering to work properly. For example, the shape and size of the rocket's nozzle can greatly affect the efficiency of the engine, as well as the direction of the thrust. Similarly, the rocket's structure and materials must be carefully chosen to withstand the extreme forces of launch and the harsh conditions of space. But perhaps the most important aspect of rocket science is control systems engineering. Rockets are highly complex machines that require precise control in order to achieve their goals. For example, a rocket that is designed to orbit the Earth must be launched at exactly the right speed and angle in order to achieve the correct trajectory. Once in orbit, the rocket must constantly adjust its position and speed in order to stay in orbit and avoid collisions with other objects in space. All of these factors come together to make rocket science an incredibly challenging and exciting field. From designing and building rockets to operating them in space, rocket scientists are at the forefront of human exploration and discovery. Whether it's sending probes to explore distant planets or launching humans into orbit, rocket science has the potential to unlock some of the greatest mysteries of our universe. So whether you're an aspiring rocket scientist or just someone interested in learning more about this fascinating field, I hope this video has given you a glimpse into the exciting world of rocket science. Thank you for watching.